Hey there! Ever had that frustrating moment when your Wi-Fi just won't cooperate with your Call of Duty game? Don't sweat it. Today we have got your back with a quick and easy fix using your iPhone. So let's dive in without further ado. Solution 1. Forget and reconnect to your Wi-Fi. First up, head to your settings. Then tap on Wi-Fi. Now locate the little eye icon next to your Wi-Fi name. Next, hit Forget this network and confirm by tapping Forget. After that, reconnect and see if the issue persists. Solution 2. Adjust your DNS settings. Again, go to Settings. Then tap on Wi-Fi. Now tap on that trusty eye icon. Next, scroll down a bit and find Configure DNS. Select Manual. Add server 1.1.1.1. Then add another server with 1.0.0.1. Lastly, tap Save up top. Close the page and check if the problem is gone. Solution 3. Give your device a reboot. Sometimes a good old restart works wonders. After the reboot, check if everything is back to normal. If not, on to our final solution. Solution 4. Offload and reinstall Call of Duty. Head to Settings once more, then scroll down to General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now, find your Call of Duty game. Then, tap on it. Select Offload app. Next, confirm by tapping Offload again. Once done, reinstall the app. Fingers crossed, your problem should vanish. So that's the ticket to fixing Wi-Fi hiccups in your Call of Duty game. If you're still stuck, drop a comment below and we will sort you out. And hey, don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for tuning in.